Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Commodity TV. We want to give you a company update on Uranium Energy Corporation, also called UEC. Uranium is back on the radar of the investment community after President Trump's decision to put a working group in place to have a deep look into the whole nuclear supply chain of the USA. Uranium Energy is in the heart of the US uranium industry located and can go within 3 to 6 months back into production via ISR mining on their properties when uranium prices do their comeback above the $40 to $45 per pound level. UEC has now 58 million pounds in the measured and indicated categories plus 45 million pounds resource U3O8 in the inferred. Through their hub and spoke strategy with the Hobson plant as a center, they have a production capacity of 2 million pounds uranium per year so far. Hobson is also fully licensed and permitted. This could then later double then. The company also is the largest shareholder in the new Uranium Royalty Corporation. This is the only pure play in a uranium royalty and streaming company, and they are a major shareholder in Yellowcake plc. The Paraná ISR mine was the first producing mine and showed the proof of concept. ISR mining is a low-cost and environmental friendly mining method with almost no disturbance on the surface. Paraná is production ready. The company used the timeline of low spot prices and developed the Burke Hollow ISR project for further growth. Since 2012, they discovered 5 trends since now, and the project has over 7 million pounds U3O8 resource. The leach amenability testing indicates a recovery greater than 90%, and the 20,000 acres are roughly 50 miles from the Hobson processing plant away. Still, 55% of the property are unexplored. Burke Hollow is production ready and final permits have been issued. A future production project is Reno Creek with a measured and indicated resource of 26 million pounds and an inferred resource of 1.49 million pounds U3O8. The production permits are in place. A pre-feasibility study is underway. In addition comes the Anderson project in Arizona and the Slick Rock project in Colorado for future exploration and possible future production, hopefully. In Paraguay has UEC also another huge project complex with a future production scenario. Another joker is the super large titanium project Alto Paraná, also in Paraguay. This is one of the highest grade and largest known ferrotitanium deposits in the world with an NI 43-101 compliant resource with over 7.9% titanium dioxide in over 4.9 billion tons rock with a mineral exploration claim of over 70,000 hectares. A PEA study is underway and shall be finished in 2019. The price of titanium has risen significantly, and from 2020 onwards the market will go into a deficit. This project might be a spin-out or M&A opportunity for UEC down the road. We will see. The uranium market started to move and supply-demand is in a total imbalance for the next years. China will triple their nuclear capacity by 2030 and India plans for 21 new nuclear power plants by 2031. Given the fact that one nuclear power plant needs upfront around 4 to 5 million pounds of uranium, this will be a real heavy demand hit for the market in the future. Of high interest is the small modular reactor technology called SMR, with a global market of 65 to 85 gigawatts by 2035. Those small scalable reactors have a size of 5 up to 300 megawatts, a simpler design with lower capital and operating costs, and costs are competitive with natural gas. The Western US utilities plan for 12 of the new scale power SMRs to be in commercial operation by 2025. Also, this is additional demand, hitting a shrinked market being in a deficit. UEC is poised for a new valuation when the path in the US is clear. The market has to react sooner than later, as over 1 billion pounds are not contracted for the next 8 years. We remain positive for the uranium price and of course for UEC. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.